Good morning and welcome to Yubeng. It's 8 in the morning and we have a bit of a power situation. So we didn't have any electricity last night. Pretty cold and no hot water. So just had a cold shower to wake up. It's looking misty nice outside, but unfortunately I haven't been able to charge my drone. So we'll see. I only have a little bit of power left, but we're gonna have some breakfast and then start getting going for the hike. We'll see. Hopefully when we get back we have better power. We're gonna do 12 kilometers today, so we'll see you at breakfast. Seems like we're gonna have a very local and basic breakfast experience here with some eggs and some kind of bread things and noodles. Not very fancy, but some good energy and back to basics. So yeah, let's get this started. Okay, gonna try one of these nice breads here. Not what I typically would have for breakfast, but some good energy. Let's try. It's very nice. A bit almost like naan. A little bit fatty, but not too much. Very nice. Now we wait for the fried eggs as well, so let's get some good energy. Yes, after that cold and energizing start with a good breakfast here, we're ready to go out hiking. Very nice weather, starting to get warmer, the sun is coming out. Have these temples and pagodas in the background. I'm gonna head up and walk, I think like 12 kilometers today. Sure it's gonna be nice. It's very looking cloudy in the background still, but I think weather will get getting better, so we can take you guys along, see what we see. Hope it'll be gonna be a very nice day. Yeah, so now I came out from those fields and we're in the forest here. Kind of feels like northern Europe a bit with these kind of pines and stuff, but I really like this background. You have all these Tibetan flags here with inscriptions, and they're supposed to, you know, move in the wind to send the prayers. It's really cool to see it here next to the water. Really dynamic landscapes in the background. So we're gonna walk to the Hu, it's like the ice lake, I think it's called. 12 kilometers as mentioned, so we'll see. It's just the first day here, but really nice, and I really enjoy this vibe. So gonna take it easy, walk a bit, and then see you a bit later. I also have I always have these mules in the background here. A lot of live animals carrying all the stuff around there, since there are no basically roads here. More like back to nature experience here. Yeah, when you're out walking in the forest, in the nature, it's good to have some natural energy. So if you're hungry, you can have some great snacks. I brought this apple with me here. Just gonna take some bite here while enjoying the really nice colorful backgrounds. Nothing beats a fresh apple with a good crisp. A really fantastic way to start the morning, that is for sure. So now we get out of the forest here and we're being passed by these donkeys again. It's a bit brighter here now, a nice sort of meadow here, so I'm gonna stop, take a bit of a break. I think I'm gonna fly the drone. Really relaxing nature here. It was a bit cold and steep walking up here, but here it's looking very nice. And it's always comfortable to see the donkeys or the mules actually walking here. You know, it's a end of the other side where they're coming from. Keep you motivated to keep on walking. Just gonna continue enjoying the scenery here. Really beautiful. I'll see you a bit later. Nice, we got to a bit of a resting stop here. Some steam coming out. Feels really like proper hike being out in the nature here. Steam, and you smell the firewood. Reminds me a bit about Christmas, when you're putting the Christmas tree actually. And you have like meat being prepared in the background here. A lot of cool stuff. Really nice. Wow, really cozy in here. You have all this fantastic food being prepared in the background. Reminds me of, I don't know, like the Viking age, being out in the middle of nowhere in the nature, somewhere preparing food. Not that I've experienced it, but I'm from Sweden after all. We have some Vikings. Wow, really nice. And here we get a fresh piece straight from the grill. I think that's my... Oh, it's just fantastic. We got the meat here, and that is looking crazy good. That's for sure. Try this one here. That's looking amazing. I have some fantastic piece here. Dip it a bit in the sauce here. A bit of a chili here. It's looking crazy good. Fresh yoke from the grill. Let's try it. It's amazing. Fantastic when you've been out hiking in the nature. A lot of good chili here. This is actually yoke meat. It's a bit more special than beef. Makes it even more nice to try. It's actually perfect. It's not overly done. It's kind of like medium rare. Gonna get some good energy and continue hiking. So see you over there. It's actually really cool. They're growing their own vegetables here. Some green stuff and some onions here even. Really nice. And I think behind here, I'm not sure, some type of beet. Very tasty and very organic and fresh. Oh, here's some new experience. You can buy the dried yak meat just hanging here freshly. That's crazy nice. Definitely gonna get one. After rain comes sunshine. It was raining quite a bit when we were in there, but now all of a sudden it's sunny here. And it's crazy nice. We have a lot of horses and animals here. Mules, donkeys, a lot of different varieties going on. Very nice landscape, that is for sure. We're just gonna finish up walking here. It's not that far, but I heard it's a bit steep this last pass. But it's very beautiful, that's for sure. We're just gonna walk down here. We're gonna relax a bit in a coffee shop or something. So yeah, let's get going and get this last part done. You definitely have some pretty spectacular background here. You also have this nice colorful flags in the background here. Very different from the city life that I'm normally used to, for sure. And you have all these crazy mountains, very dynamic landscape. So if you have the possibility to come here and visit Yubeng, I definitely recommend it, especially if you like hiking. A very big change from the city life that I'm used to, that is for sure. Whew, so getting the pulse up a bit there, but pretty crazy day to start the morning, that's for sure. This insane view down the alley, and I think we're just up here like 5 or 10 minutes up, then we're at the top. But yeah, I can't complain about these views and this way to start the morning. I've definitely had worse mornings, that is for sure. Just gonna continue walking here, then I walk down, so see you there very soon. So I think it seems we actually finally made it here. We stop at least for a while, have a bit of a break here with the others. Very beautiful, crazy background. Yeah, I don't mind having some cardio in the morning, enjoying these kind of views. Actually now the clouds kind of went away, so you see up here even the snow in the background. Yesterday you could actually see it, but this morning it was too misty. A bit more nice when you can see the snow as well. I definitely had worse mornings than start today, so I'm not complaining, that's for sure. Let's continue walking and go up there. Okay, so it seems we're approaching the final destination up here. A lot of people coming back. It started to rain a bit again, but not too bad. When you walk, you stay warm. This view is really crazy nice. Just gonna meet up with our friends there. So yeah, soon see you at the top. Fantastic, so we're finally up here, and whoa, that is a lot of flags in the background. That is pretty crazy. Take a look. You have a nice kind of prayer place here. We have a yak as well. Just a few more meters up. And the rain is here, or I don't know, waterfall may be coming as well. Pretty wet, yes, we made it. Only up here. 10 more meters. Walking next to the yak here, pretty exotic. Just gonna have a few more meters here. Yeah, the yak don't seem too bothered. Only us weak humans. Whew. Finally, very windy here. Probably quite noisy. You have all this stuff in the background. Wow, you have the waterfall. Yeah, time for a well-deserved break here, I think. Just relax a bit among the other people with umbrellas. I'm gonna leave those at home. Take a bit of a rest and walk down maybe 2 hours. So yeah, see you on the way down. Actually, before we leave, you're supposed to go down here and drink the water to cleanse your sins. So let's check it out before we get totally soaked here. There's a lot of water going on there, for sure. Oh, gotta be completely soaked. Gotta try it. Okay. Wow, that's a very interesting flavor. Definitely different than normal water. Oh, let's leave this place now. Get back to safety. Okay, so finally made it back after 7 hours and 20,000 steps. And actually the electricity came back like 30 seconds ago. So now they put on the music, just energizing a bit with some fruit juice here. A lot of steps, 20,000, and yeah, 7 hours. So a lot of calories burned. So definitely dinner will be up next. But first we're gonna check in the hotel, just enjoy it a little bit with the view here. So see you there very soon. Nice, so just checked into this hotel and I see we have some hot water boilers. So finally I can have my coffee because there was no electricity in the morning, no coffee. Time to get some energy and then go for dinner. Nice, it's finally time for dinner after waiting some time, resting, getting changed and getting a bit warm after that cold hike. And even though the sun went down, you can see the sky is really blue, really crazy. Very different from the big cities here in Beijing and Shanghai. And you can sit here outside and enjoy this crazy nice sky. I actually booked a very nice table. We're going to try some local food. There's some local mushrooms that are quite famous that should be very special for some reason. So we're going to go inside and check it out. Really cozy, and you also have this kind of fireplace. You can sit outside. So let's go inside here and check out what they have. So we're gonna have some really nice food there. Very cozy environment, that's for sure. We're just gonna sit outside and eat there. Really cozy with the lighting. And you have the whole background here with the mountain actually in the background. Really crazy. Gonna sit down here and get a nice table. Let's order some food. Nice, we got the cool mushrooms here as you can see. Gonna try a bit with this sauce here. Very interesting. I used to not really like mushrooms, but now I do, so let's try it. Very good sauce also. Wow. Oh, it's very good. Let's try one without. Very different taste actually, the mushroom. A bit like champignon or butter mushrooms, but a bit other flavor with it. With the sauce actually really, really good. The sauce is a bit like wasabi with soy sauce. Very good. If you come here, you should definitely try it out. Let's see what more dishes we have now. Fantastic. Now we're getting the hot pot here. Gonna have some beef and a lot of veggies. Let's see what comes in. Ooh, what is that? Nice. Here we get beef hot pot. Ooh, let's open the hot pot. We have a lot of nice yak meat. Fantastic. Okay, so actually it's chicken we got here. I think we got the yak later. Let's try it. Oh, as you dig out here, you never know what you're gonna find. Here's some big piece. I don't even know what it is, but chicken in some form, black. Let's try it. It's a bit hard to actually find where to bite, but I'm just gonna take a big bite here. Very tasty. Not even any spices, but actually really good. Wow, this is good stuff. Very nice. Okay, what's on the way now? We have some tofu. Okay, not fantastic, but waiting for the beef. Yeah, I think they messed up the order pretty big time here. We're still waiting for some yak meat, but yeah, I guess we'll survive somehow. Takes a lot more time. It's quite cold outside, but yeah, let's start with this. Could be worse. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of tofu, but it's kind of like nature's protein. Very healthy. Could be worse. We have some nice live music on the bar next door. Maybe we'll go there later. We'll see. Okay, I think finally we have the meat. Or no, what is that? Veggies. No meat so far. More vegetables. Yeah, we got the vegetables here. But I need some more protein. But let's try it. Seems we got a bit of an eggplant action here. Let's try it. Very nice. Not too oily. Sometimes eggplants are very oily, but this is actually great. Looks tasty and is tasty. Very good. Better than expected. Definitely shouldn't take them 1 hour to cook this, but still nice. You have some celery here, I think. Steaming hot. Very nice. Not celery, okay.
I don't know the English name, and I don't think there is an English name.
So apparently it's a dish with no English name. Let's try it. Crunchy, very nice. I have a bit of a chili action going on as well. Ooh, I dropped it. Yeah, not too bad. Still waiting for the meat. Oh, we get some more vegetables. Very, very oily. Still no meat. Okay, so let's try out the most unhealthy thing so far in this order. Tasty, but a lot of oil. We have some peppers here. Let's try it. Very tasty. And a bit spicy as well. Really nice. Good. Okay, so finally after like 1 hour waiting, we get a bit of more serving. Ooh, noodles.
1 hour, more than 1 hour.
Yeah, and actually the noodles I'm not gonna have, but we're waiting for some yak meat, some veggies. I think we need to go and have some skewers of this because I am starving and it's cold as crazy outside. But yeah, let's eat some of this first. Now, maybe finally we have the meat coming in, yes. Finally. Okay, let's see if it was worth this 1.5 hour wait. We have a bit of nice yak meat going on here. Let's try. Tasty. A bit of pepper flavor, but I think the lunch one was actually better. Also have some nice onions, very tasty. I can never go wrong with this. Very tasty meat, that's for sure. Ginger as well. Ginger and onions, really nice. Okay, gotta enjoy this and then we'll see. Maybe it's Scoop Place, who knows? Let's see then. Okay, so after that dinner we have to wait 2 hours from getting the table to eating. We are slightly cold, that's for sure. So we're gonna grab some nice skewers here outside. Hopefully it's some heat we can warm up here. Oh, nice. I need some more meat. That was definitely not enough. Gonna sit down here and enjoy. Looking very tasty. Fantastic. You just pick up the pieces you want here and give them. Ooh. And we get some beef ones here. Nice. And then we're gonna have 2 lamb ones here, I think. So we have fantastic 3 beef ones and 2 lamb. Nice. Let's get them cooked. Okay, let's try this into the fish ball stick. Very nice sauce actually, I don't know. A bit sweet, oil. Very tasty. Okay, so we have more things to try here. We have chicken butt to coat, my dear friend there. Not sure what that is normally called, but let's try it. Chewy, crispy, nice texture. Not too bad. I've had worse, that's for sure. But I'm waiting for my lamb skewers. Let's see. Oh, Sissy. Oh, Sissy. Okay, so we got the bag of goodies. Let's try it. Okay, fantastic. So finally we got the skewers here. I think we got some lamb or beef. I'm not sure, but it's definitely looking good. Let's try it. Very tasty. Never get disappointed. They always also put in a bit of a fat here to make it tasty. Not the healthiest, but very nice. Great. I think that was maybe the lamb one. Then we have a really big tasty one here. I think this is beef. Oh, that is looking really crazy good. Let's try it. That is amazing. A lot more focus on the meat than on the dinner. Wow, that is amazing. Yeah, definitely a really amazing way to end the evening here. You see the cool background, they're making the fresh barbecue. It's been a very long, intensive, nice day with hiking, a lot of good food, great friends. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. If you want to see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.